If you are tired of house help who takes too many days off, makes faces, or just doesn't clean properly, or maybe you don't have house help at all, then this video is for you. Maybe you have pets at home and there is always hair on the floor, or small kids who manage to create mess 5 minutes after you have cleaned, or a busy work schedule that doesn't match your house help's timings, or maybe you like doing things your way without depending on anyone. In all those cases, a robo vacuum might just be your new favorite roommate. It doesn't complain, it doesn't take leave, it doesn't care if it's Sunday or a festive morning, it just cleans. In this video, I'll be reviewing this tiny machine not from a techie point of view but as someone who just wants a clean home without having to chase somebody or spend hours in sweeping and mopping. And I have been using this appliance for more than 3 years now, so you can expect honest feedback. And if you're someone who has both kids and pets in the house, then there is no way just a house help will be useful for you because you will have to keep the house clean, and this can work for you even after the maid has done the work. You can get your house cleaned any time of the day.
Let's cover all the aspects one by one. First, cleaning performance. It cleans hair, dirt, and even fine dust that a manual broom can't. The mop is decent, but for strong stains, let it go over that spot twice. The corner brush helps sweep the dust from the corners effectively. Also, make sure that there are no obstacles like bags or boxes on the floor.
It definitely requires a bit of discipline because you just cannot randomly throw around things in the house. You will have to make sure that you throw all the bigger garbage like big papers and the boxes and all those other plastic covers which will not be suctioned by this product. You can just put it in the dustbin then and there. A little bit of discipline can make your cleaning process easier.
One important thing to keep in mind is that make sure that the floor is vacuumed first and then it is mopped, or else you will have all the dirt getting stuck on the floor because of the water, like as I've shown in the clip. So make sure that you vacuum it first and then go ahead with the mopping settings.
Regarding the usage part, you can set it up easily using MI Home app. For the first run, let it map your entire space. If you don't want it to clean a specific room like a storeroom or a utility, simply keep that door closed. You can also set cleaning schedules. Place the charging dock where you want it to return after cleaning. It also has the anti-drop sensor which will prevent it from falling off the stairs. Regarding the navigation and intelligence, if it encounters an obstacle like a cot or a cupboard where it can't go underneath, it bumps gently and continues cleaning other areas. It can clean thin, stiff mats, but avoid leaving cloth mats or clothing items lying around. They may get tangled in the rotating brush. Large paper pieces can also get stuck, so clear those before cleaning. And regarding the noise level, it has medium level sound. Compared to some other robo vacuums that are quite loud, this one is moderate. You can comfortably take calls with it running in the background. Let's understand the maintenance part. Empty the dust compartment regularly, at least once a week or as needed. Never let it get wet before use. If you have washed the dust compartment, then make sure that it's fully dry before you put it back and then use it. Clean the main brush to remove the hair and debris. Replace the filter when it's worn out or after heavy use. Fill the water tank for mopping as required. Keep all the components dry before reinstalling. Also, the mop cloth which is attached through a velcro, you can remove it and wash it to clean as and when required. The battery life when charging, it automatically returns to dock when low on charge. On a full charge, it can clean around 1600 to 2000 square feet in one go. The mopping performance is impressive. Your feet feel dust-free afterward. You can test it by wiping the floor with the tissue. After cleaning, it stays clean. The build feels sturdy and the wheels have a nice bounce which helps it to move smoothly over small bumps. This robo vacuum comes under 20k. Considering that a house help cost is roughly 3000 to 5000 per month, this definitely justifies its price. In 4 to 5 months, it pays for itself. It's available 24/7, works on your schedule and doesn't need supervision, no dependency or delay. It gives peace of mind, no tantrums, no leaves, no waiting, works whenever you want. If you have pets or kids at home, it's a huge plus. Less hair, less mess, more sanity. Pets and babies often get curious. It's fun to watch. I'm adding a clip of how my dog reacted to it when I played it for the first time in front of her. One heads up, if you have a hairy breed like a Shih Tzu or a Pomeranian, keep an eye on it while it's cleaning. Long tail hair can get stuck in the wheel, so it's better to remove the dog from the room before cleaning. During festive season, when you're too occupied to keep the house clean, it handles it all easily. There are days when we return home late, like 10 to 11 pm, and don't feel like sweeping. This saves that effort entirely. You can just start it and relax. Once you start it, it follows your set cleaning pattern and returns automatically after finishing.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please take a moment to like this video and also share it to any of your friends who you think might be in need of a product like this. And if you're new here, please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.